What's up, guys? This is Matthew from Unison. Today I got a pretty cool unboxing. So I was on eBay the other night and found an first gen iPad for 20 bucks. In the pictures it looked like it was in really good condition, so I kind of just went for it. You never really know what you're going to get with eBay though, so today we're going to unbox it. I never had the first gen iPad. I think I was in 10th grade when it came out, and I just, didn't have the money for it back then. I always loved the design for it though. It kind of, to me, always had like a older gen, not obviously the M1 iMacs, but all the previous iMacs kind of like followed that same design language. Wow, this is really glued shut here. I believe the last OS that this received was iOS 5. There's a lot of peanuts in here. Let's see if we can... Well, let's get these out. I'm thankful, for 20 bucks. This is packaged pretty well. And that peanuts all over my floor. Alright, so let's see what we've got. Like I was saying, pretty sure the last OS that this received was iOS 5. 9.7-inch display, I think 1 gig of RAM, A4 chip. Just a moment of truth. Let's see what she looks like. Wow. That is pretty cool. And for $20, I mean, it looks almost brand new. Now, this could be like replacement parts, but this is damn near new condition. It's pretty cool. This is the 16 gigabyte model. You guys can see that. Let's see if it powers on. Aw, snap. It did not include a charger, so I'm gonna have to order one. I think we might have one little scratch right there, but I mean, overall, like, the screen is flawless. No scratches that I can see. All the sides look good, no drop damage. And look at that. That is an iPad. Full battery too. Let's see what OS we're running. General about. So this is iOS 5.1.1. 13 gigabytes of storage available. This is pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie to you. Pretty nostalgic here. I currently have a 12.9-inch iPad Pro, so let's see what they look like side by side. Alright. So there they are, side by side. Obviously, we've come a long way since the first gen iPad. Look at the bezels on that thing compared to now. It's pretty crazy. Thickness-wise, obviously, I think this is a half-inch thick. So, not super significant, but I mean, when you're getting down to millimeters, that definitely makes a difference. But that's it, guys. That is my unboxing of a first gen iPad, $20 on eBay. Just to have a piece of old tech like this, to me, is cool, especially in such good condition. But that's going to be it for now. Thanks for checking out the video, and I will see you guys later. Peace.